Magandang hapon po ng Friday, January 19, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. result ngayong hapon ng Friday, January 19, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. result ngayong hapon ng January 19, 2024 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. result of Ultra Lotto 658, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Friday, January 19, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 54 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 jackpot price estimates is 30.5 million pesos for January 19, 2024, Friday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Friday, January 19, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.